In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets to Glide. To begin, head over to your Glide apps. Before proceeding, make sure that your Google Sheets are ready in your Google Drive. As you can see in my example, this is my spreadsheet, and it is essential that it resides in the same Google account that is connected to your Glide account. Once you have verified this and you are in your Glide app, click on the New App option. First, we will learn how to connect Google Sheets while creating a new app. From the options provided, select Google Sheets and then click on Continue. You will then be presented with two options. The first one is to keep the data synced. This ensures that any changes made in your Google Sheet will automatically update in your Glide app. And the second option is performing a one-time import. After making your choice, click Continue. Next, Glide will display a list of spreadsheets available in your Google Drive for the account connected to Glide. In my case, I only have one spreadsheet, so I will select it and click Select. You will then see the data appear in your Glide app, reflecting the structure of your Google Sheet. In the Data section, you can double-click any column to view its automatically detected data type. For example, my ID column is recognized as numbers, while my name column is detected as text. If you are already in the process of creating an app and want to connect Google Sheets later, simply click the plus icon in the upper left-hand side of your screen and select Import. From here, choose Google Sheets option and click on Continue. Follow the same process to select and import your spreadsheet. And this is how you can connect Google Sheets to Glide.